Hi there, students. Cadence. Cadence is a noun. I think most normally countable. Cadence talks about the rhythmic flow of something, as in poetry or speech or the way somebody's speaking or a machine or other things. So the cadence of his voice always makes me feel sleepy. Many students have a problem with cadence in the way they speak. So the rhythm is not right. Or maybe the intonation goes up at the end of the phrase. No, that's not right as well. That's not good cadence. The cadence of a sports commentator, and it's number 3 coming up on the line, he's coming up and he's going to overtake number 2, is very different. The cadence is very different from that of a public speaker giving a speech. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here tonight to, the cadence is very, very, very different. So, cadence, rhythm, tempo, beat, the meter, the pulse, the intonation. Notice a machine can have a cadence. When you're driving and you change gear, the cadence of the engine changes. It makes a different type of hum. Yeah, this is a different cadence. It seems that the cadence of COVID infections is getting faster and faster. The cadence of our lives at the weekend is very different from the cadence of our lives during the working week. So, cadence. Cadence, when in speaking and speech, can talk about the way that the pitch and the volume goes down as you get to the end of a sentence. So, for example, once upon a time there were 3 little rabbits. Once upon a 3 little rabbits. The pitch has gone down, and very often when we talk, the cadence drops as we near the end of the sentence. So this is talking about the falling pitch of a voice at the end of a sentence. But then cadence may refer, when speaking, may only refer to the rhythm, the pitch, the speed, the loudness. So, listen to a couple of different examples of different cadences. Now, the plain belly sneetches had bellies with stars. But the plain belly sneetches had none upon theirs. Those stars weren't so big, they were really so small. You might think such a thing wouldn't matter at all. Or a different cadence. Now the star belly sneetches had bellies with stars, but the plain belly sneetches had none upon theirs. Those stars weren't so big, they were really so small. You might think such a thing wouldn't matter at all. So there's a very different cadence in my voice with both of those examples. Let's see. In cycling, cadence refers to the number of revolutions per minute with the pedals. When you're running, cadence is the number of steps per minute as you're running. In horse riding, cadence refers to the harmony and proportion of the movement of the horse. If you change the cadence of a piece of music, it sounds different. So, remember cadence. Remember your cadence. If you really want to speak good English, then you should spend a bit of time thinking about your cadence and trying to make the cadence of the way you speak more natural. So, how formal is this word cadence? I'd give it a 6.5 to 7.5. I think informally I might say the rhythm, the beat, something like that. And as to origin, well, it comes from Italian cadenza, which itself comes from Latin cadentia, from the verb cadio, I fall or I cease. So this is talking about the cadence of your voice as you get nearer the end of the sentence. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cadence.